and today we're gonna talk about photography. Welcome to day number 3 of our Instagram challenge. So there's no mystery that we need to have our photography game on point when we talk about social media. Either it's Instagram, Facebook, or whatever it is. Having great photography and great videos are definitely a must to really share the message that we want to share, so it goes clear and it's not really confusing. So exactly for that, I'm gonna share with you a couple of tips that are really gonna help your photography and video game at the same time. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you the concepts, and at the end, I'm gonna share with you an exercise so you can really put it in practice right away. Lighting, obviously, it's crucial, and we can get very artistic and we can make a lot of fun stuff with lighting, but today we're gonna keep it simple and straight. Take your photos at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day, and if you're shooting in the middle of the day, try to go close to a window. Be very aware that your lighting is coming frontal and not from behind, because we're not going to have a lot of information in our file. There's nothing you can do if you have bad quality lighting. Yes, there's a lot of equipment you can use and there's a lot of things you can go through, but you can completely do it with your phone and with natural lighting. The quality of the photo. It's way better if you use the regular camera on your phone, not the one that it's selfie mode, because that one has less quality regardless your phone. Be very aware of composition. In photography, we have something that it's called the rule of thirds. We divide our frame in a grid, and then we try to put the subject not in the middle but around it. Of course, this is a rule that it's meant to be broken, and you can definitely make a full-on portrait, but it does give a little bit of a professional air when we use these systems to our advantage, especially if you're going for a very minimalistic kind of Instagram feed. And if you're not going for a minimalistic one and you want to have a lot of things in your photo, be aware that with this grid, you're gonna be able to organize it even better. And the next tip, it's about colors, because we want to have an Instagram feed that it's appealing and it's beautiful and all this. We need to prepare ourselves before we take our photos. So instead of just like going with the flow and doing whatever, we need to pick up those colors that really resonate with our feed. So if you want to have a feed that it's warm and a little bit moody, it's better if you have earthy tones in your clothes or in the items that you're selecting. If you want to go for something with a lot of shine and very vibrant, it's better if you select vibrant colors, vibrant clothes, a place that has a lot of color. If you want to go very elegant, it's better if you shoot in the city and you stick to neutral tones maybe. Same with a minimalistic feed. The exercise. So for today's exercise, I want you to make 3 videos or photos. And one thing that I want you to have in mind is that when you post a video on Instagram, to be able to have your feed that it looks very cohesive, it's better if you add a cover to the video so it makes it more attractive. Either you can put like 1 second in the video, or if you're doing an IGTV or a reel or something, you can put some sort of a cover that it has those tones, so you can still have your feed that looks beautiful and perfect. So for this exercise, I want you to make 3 photos or videos that bring value or inspiration to your followers, and you follow these tips, which is composition and good lighting. Take these photos with your phone. Don't edit your photos right away, because tomorrow we're gonna talk about filters and how to make everything very nice and beautiful. If we want to be entrepreneurs or influencers, we become content creators. And we're expected to be consistent, creative, fun every day. But we don't feel creative all the time, and this is completely normal. Also, there's so much to do that then we start getting frustrated that we don't have enough time. And that's exactly why I created the social media planner. The amazing thing about this planner is the layout, because you can save time, you can really focus in what you need to create and celebrate the way you're growing. I added quotes and stickers to be inspired every day. I'm so excited for you to get all these benefits. Link in the description. Remember, you're beautiful and special. See you tomorrow.